So this is our old fuel pump, and yeah, it looks like this because this is already a replacement, not the original. Just watch my video when I replaced it last 2020. And this is our brand new fuel pump that I ordered online from Lazada. This is a complete assembly with rubber gasket and filter. So let's have a very short intro first. Alright, so now let's install our new fuel pump. And as you can see, I've already removed the old one because I have to test it to verify if it's defective. This is the defective pump. And this one's a brand new pump from Lazada. So first, let's fit the rubber gasket. It has a groove to fit its exact position. And then carefully insert the fuel pump inside the fuel tank and make sure that you don't drop the filter inside the tank. So you have to do it nice and slowly. After that, install the metal frame of the assembly. And then install the fuel hose. Make it sure to lock the hose securely. Now install the bolts and tighten it just enough and not too tight. Place the plastic cover for the fuel hose and lastly, return the rubber cover to protect the whole fuel pump. Now for the moment of truth. Time for testing. I tried to use the push starter. Unfortunately, our battery don't have enough juice to crank the engine. So let's just use the kick starter. Yeah, tried to kick several times, but the engine won't start. It's because I forgot to fuel the tank. Okay, now we have fuel and one kickstart.